Compositions. Food poisoning. Compositions. Food poisoning. Food poisoning. Compositions. That day, my friends and I went to a roadside food stall for a light meal after badminton practice in school. My 3 friends ordered some chapatis, while I alone ordered a plate of fried mee. The mee tasted slightly odd, but all the same, I finished the whole plate of mee. After our meal, we ordered 4 glasses of teh tarik and spent some 20 minutes in idle talk before going on our separate ways. When I reached home, I felt a churning sensation in my stomach and I had to rush to the toilet to relieve myself. I did not suspect anything was wrong with me then. 2 hours later, the lavatory beckoned me again, and by late evening, I must have relieved myself at least 5 times. I also began to feel sharp abdominal pains, was feeling weak and nauseous. By then I knew that I was ill and asked my mother to bring me to the clinic. At the clinic, the doctor ran some tests on me and asked me several questions. Finally, he diagnosed my ailment as food poisoning. He prescribed a course of medication and a strict diet to follow. He told me not to take solid food for 2 days and asked me to drink plenty of water. He also gave me medical leave for 4 days and asked me to rest and recuperate at home. That night and the rest of the following day, I was miserable and felt feverish and still had to visit the bathroom several times. My condition improved considerably on the 3rd day and mother allowed me to eat a bowl of rice with some vegetables. After completing the course of medication and adhering to the diet advised by the doctor, I recovered completely on the 4th day. Though I still felt a little weak, I was able to return to school after the end of 4 days of medical leave. Since that day, I have always been very careful of the food I eat. Once bitten, twice shy is an old adage, and it is very apt in my case. For having experienced food poisoning once, I do not intend to relive the experience ever again.
Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching.